Last year, I got a FLIR camera from Octopus Energy and I pointed it at my heat pump installation and some of it lit up like a Christmas tree. So this year, I've got the FLIR camera back and we're going to see if my DIY installation in my loft cylinder area and behind my heat pump have worked and if those cozy socks have done their job. Now, last year when I went in the loft, I noticed around the clip areas is where there was a fair bit of heat loss, but the clip areas are a reasonably small surface area. So rather than insulating all the clips, I just used what I had left and did the clips that were left over. I concentrated more on the large surface area. So that was the filter area and the pump area. So I used the foil tape and the foil insulation that I had to wrap around these products to insulate them better. Now, if you're interested in the insulation products I've got, you see the video top right of when I initially insulated it, or you can go down below in the description and I've already linked them there. Now, you can see from last year's FLIR camera to this year's FLIR camera, there is a definite improvement in holding that heat retention into those areas. The question is, have what I spent on this insulation made any cost difference? And the question is, I don't really know. There's no real way, but it makes me feel warm and fuzzy inside. Next, we have the back of the heat pump. Now, this is where I fitted the cozy socks, as I like to refer to them. Now, the cozy socks are listed down below in the description, but they're basically like a hose pipe cover. Now, I noticed that there was quite a bit of heat loss from the valves that enter the back of the cozy. Now, depending on your cozy insulation team and the valves they've used and the insulation they have available, they may be insulated in a few different ways, and you may not need the valves, cozy socks that I've got. And to be honest, if you left it alone, it'll be perfectly fine, work perfectly all right. There's no real reason to extra insulate the bits I'm doing. Again, like I said, it just makes me feel warm and fuzzy inside that I've got an extra layer of insulation around certain areas. But it's, weigh it up your own way, which way you want to do it. It's just the way I want to do it. So I can see without the cozy socks on, there was a fair bit of heat loss under the FLIR camera, but after I fitted the heat socks, cozy socks, you can see that there's basically no heat loss from them anymore. It's completely sealed them up and it still gives me access to the valves because of the way these socks are designed. Now, Octopus now have 3 sizes of cozy heat pumps and they're also fitting other heat pumps like Dakin's and Grant systems. So if you're looking for a heat pump, you can go to evnick.com/heat pump where you can get a quote from Octopus Energy and a £100 gift card voucher when your installation completes by filling in the details on my link there. Now, if you're looking at getting a cozy heat pump, then check out my install video here, or if you want to see how they service a heat pump like my Cozy 6, which there isn't much to it, see this video here.